Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I just want to give you an update on our hands-on live in-person training. We just had another class early part of this month, which is January 2022. It was successful. You're about to see a testimonial from one of our students on what he thought about the class and the training. Also an update for our current students. A lot of you guys have been emailing, texting, and calling about getting a discount since you're a current member for our hands-on live in-person training. I finally talked our partners in allowing you to do that. So give us a call, let me know which course you've taken, and I'll let you know about the discount. Also, the next class is February the 7th through the 11th. And you guys that want to attend, you need to come on board pretty quickly. As always, these classes, the guys sign up pretty quickly. Also, with the hands-on training, you also get the online training course. And for those of you that do not know, right now, and it will be in the future, I'm sure, lifetime membership with lifetime updates. So you're always getting the new appliances and new videos, and you also have 24/7 access. So this is probably, that course, the online course, is about 90–95% step-by-step videos. Real quick, who is the hands-on training for? Most of you guys that would like to put your hands on appliances before going to the customer's house, is for you. For those of you that are current students and you're still on the fence and you haven't made a decision to go out and do your first service call, it's for you. It's going to give you that confidence to troubleshoot, disassemble, reassemble the appliances, ask any questions that you might have, and not to mention the nuggets that you're going to learn in this class. I teach you the troubleshooting shortcuts. We'll show you how to actually troubleshoot, diagnose the appliance so you can determine, usually within a short period of time, 5 or 10 minutes, what's wrong with that appliance, and then also what you need to do to repair it. For those of you that are lacking confidence in making that first call and going out and starting your business or starting it part-time, it's for you.
Hello, my name is Trafford Hill. I came to Cornerstone Appliance to help enhance my training of appliance repair. I had already watched their videos and found them very educational, but I wanted to be able to touch the appliances, and I came and met with Chris, and we went through the On Hands course, and I feel much more confident in my ability to address the issues I'll probably run into fixing appliances, and also dealing with the customers that you'll have to deal with.